everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a Halloween video for you all. So this is 10 ways to wear cat ears. Just woken up cat, sea creature cat, cute cat, slutty cat, tomboy cat, meow, insta famous cat, meow, bride cat, Britney Spears cat, oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Valentine's Day cat, or a Miranda Sings cat, or just be a girl with cat ears on. Also, if you still want to be a cat, but you have no cat ears, you could try this. Airline cat. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not like your typical makeup tutorial or your typical like Halloween tutorial, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully you guys have a happy Halloween, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!